Hi everyone, good morning, good morning. Did you see last week's painting? I've been working with the huge 8-inch brush again and I had so much fun. It was a challenge, but I had so much fun. And so today I figured I do not use blue a lot. I don't know why I love blue, but I don't paint a lot with blue. So today I'm gonna create like a similar painting, but then with a blue background, and yeah, let's just see where this takes me. Okay, I've got a Payne's gray, a phthalo turquoise, a Prussian blue, and some transparent brown here. Let's start with those colors. A little bit of brown. Ooh, it's quite a lot. Payne's gray. Phthalo turquoise. And some Prussian blue. Let's see what this color makes. Ooh, look at that. Quite dark. Quite dark. Yeah, but this is blue, isn't it? Let's wet it a little. So do I want like this center design again? Do I want that? I guess I do want that. It's amazing how quick you can cover the canvas with a huge brush. Okay, so now it's time to get some interesting brush strokes in. This is gorgeous. Honestly, I'm quite surprised about this background color. It's lovely. You know, I love parts of negative space in a painting. Here as well. Very cool. So I want to use the same colors with the white that I did in the green one, and that is a India yellow hue and some quinacridone nickel azo gold. This should be a lot of fun on this background. This one upside down, white up here. Dip my brush in these colors. Ooh, it will probably make green, of course, because of the yellow. Ah, that's so cool. Oh, it's gorgeous with those lines. It was because of this brush. Yeah, because of this brush, not the bristles were all pushed together. You know what? Let's go here. Okay, again, so these colors are definitely working. I need to work on this composition for sure. Oh, a lot. What's coming out? Right, well, that was not the idea, but let's make it work. It's not unpleasant. Okay, it is time to add some smaller brush strokes. Might keep this one quite minimal, I hope. No, I do this a lot because somehow I just don't like if the stems are like stems. Having so much fun. I really like this. Because also the background is covered so quickly with that big brush. It just is fun. Design up here, that is a lot of fun. A lot of drips this time. I'm okay with this now. Might break it up just up here. This is just different. I'm so used to the green with this color palette. This part. Yes. Okay, that's working. That color is lovely here between those other colors. I have a feeling if I will continue way too much. So I decided I'm gonna stop right here. See you in a bit. Here we go. Here we go. This is the final end result. And that blue. Come on, this blue. So many things are going on in this one. And it's a huge painting. I love that. Perfect to work with the big brush on this one. I'm very happy I also kept that negative space up there. It gives some air in this painting. Yeah? Proud of this one. Let me know what you think. Like always, I love to hear that. And I'll see you next week Saturday.